Healthcare affects everyone. We at Takoma want you to know about the significant healthcare advances that we've made in the last year.
Dr. Eric Bulliwa is board certified in internal medicine, pediatrics, and most recently, obesity medicine. He is one of the first obesity medicine specialists in Tennessee.
Do you have trouble being overweight or obese? Or is your good cholesterol low? Are your triglycerides, blood pressure, and blood sugar elevated? If you have any 3 or more of these 5 clinical conditions, you have the metabolic syndrome and insulin resistance. Metabolic syndrome occurs when the body no longer can process insulin correctly. Left untreated, metabolic syndrome can markedly increase your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. We use nutrition, metabolism, and our unique 8 Points of Light program to improve your weight and health.
Dr. Bulliwa's program has been life-changing for me. I was in a place in my life where I felt that obesity and the side effects were at a critical point. I thought that perhaps I would become immobile or perhaps even die from the side effects of the obesity. I've been on the program for 6 months, and I am proud and happy to say I've lost 60 pounds. I have more energy, more stamina, mobility, and I know that I can continue until I reach my goal.
In January of this year, Takoma raised the bar on women's health by being the first to bring 3D mammography to Northeast Tennessee.
This year we have grown from 3 to 5 OBGYN physicians. Expecting mothers will appreciate our new 3D ultrasound imaging. We have also added new ultrasound equipment for our gynecology patients.
Currently, we're providing the most comprehensive women's health care in Greenville. Takoma was honored to win the 2016 Women's Choice Award for Obstetrics, placing Takoma among the nation's top hospitals for obstetrics.
Takoma has grown its primary care and now has 22 physicians and advanced practice providers dedicated to great patient care. In February, Takoma Regional Hospital employed 3 pediatric providers, including Greenville's only female pediatrician.
We have just started Greenville's first perioperative medicine clinic. Our goal is to reduce your risk and complications going into surgery by modifying risk factors such as diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, hypertension, and stroke.
This year we are launching Corporate Health and Wellness, a comprehensive new initiative to help businesses find relief from ever-increasing healthcare costs.
Our Corporate Health and Wellness team can deliver primary care, chronic care management, wellness, and a host of other services focused on improving employee health and decreasing the healthcare costs for employers.
Our chronic care specialists work directly with our primary care providers to assist our patients with monthly education, health coaching, and by setting achievable healthcare goals. Through this continuous support, our patients learn to successfully manage and improve their chronic conditions, allowing them to live fuller, healthier lives.
My personal experience with my chronic care specialist, Lori, is one of more of a personal relationship. She calls every month and she takes time to listen to my experiences or complaints. But the good part is that I have her number and she's available to me if anything else is going on. In the meantime, it's almost like directly communicating with my primary care physician. I've really benefited from it.
For the last 3 years, our employee engagement scores have been world-class, according to the Gallup organization. Both our employee and physician engagement has been in the 94th percentile nationally.
What inspires Takoma's continual innovation? It's our mission, culture, people, and patient-centered focus.
World-class care.
World-class care.
Begins with me.
Begins with me.
Begins with me.
I am who patients and visitors see
when they enter our doors.
Mine are the eyes
they look into
when worried or lonely.
My smile.
My smile. My smile can brighten their day.
They meet with me
as they keep appointments
that could affect their destinies.
It is my voice.
It's my voice they hear
when they process complicated,
sometimes devastating information.
My face
is the one they connect with
while lying on a bed
in need of a kind human touch.
It is my voice
that educates, congratulates,
and comforts.
The warmth of my hand
gives them peace and assurance.
Visitors and patients remember what they see, hear, and feel.
My compassion
And dedication to safe, exceptional care
will be remembered
forever. If I'm loud, rude, or uncaring,
So is Takoma.
If the care and service I provide
are world class,
then so is Takoma.
Patients are counting
On my skills,
and caring.
I am privileged.
I am privileged.
I am privileged to serve here.
Sometimes in the first moments of life,
Sometimes in the last.
I am responsible for my attitude and actions.
I have a personal stake.
And the collective attitudes and actions of everyone who works here. My performance
defines Takoma.
the care I give,
The service I provide
and the courtesy I extend
Are crucial to our success.
in extending the healing ministry of Christ
and providing world-class care.
Takoma has a very capable and stable hospitalist team that are highly engaged in the care of our patients. They work closely with nursing, pharmacy, and others to provide our patients excellent care and great outcomes.
For the 6th year in a row, we've earned an A grade in patient safety from the Leapfrog Group.
The nurses and physicians in our ICU have 24-hour-a-day access to critical care physicians, allowing us to provide cutting-edge care and reducing mortality for our sickest patients.
0.
Zero.
0.
0.
As most of you know, I practiced medicine for over 30 years, and it's hard for me to recall a year that we did not have a single infection in the hospital. Takoma's to be given tremendous congratulations for having an entire year without an infectious problem. This didn't just happen by accident. This occurred with a lot of hard work by many dedicated people, and the biggest beneficiary of that were the patients who were seen there at Takoma.
In May of this year, Takoma was recognized by Adventist Health System as the best overall small hospital for infection prevention. We have had 0 reportable infections using the CDC criteria in the acute care units of our hospital for 12 consecutive months. This includes
0 central line associated bloodstream infections.
0 catheter-acquired urinary tract infections.
0 surgical site infections for colon procedures.
0 surgical site infections for hysterectomies. 0 C. difficile infections.
0 MRSA infections.
This 1 year 0 scorecard shows that careful planning, hard work, dedication, and a team approach can have exceptional results. We salute our team of physicians, advanced practice providers, frontline nursing staff, and our environmental services team, as well as our quality and infection control departments on achieving this extraordinary accomplishment on behalf of our patients. Isn't it time you said, "Take me to Takoma"?